Hi, this is Dr. George Rogu from RBK Pediatrics, located right now in Bayshore and Saxon Avenue. I want to give you a little update as to what's going on in our Saxon Avenue location at the old Montessori school. So we have some cool updates. Some of our exam rooms are almost completely done. The medical furniture came in, furniture's installed, chairs are ready. Down the halls, we're nice and clean now. We're doing that nice Disney theme like we did in the Commack office. This is the Lion King room. It's starting to come out really, really nice. We don't know. We're stuck in a little bit of, some things are stuck somewhere in the supply chain, just like everything else. But slowly, things are coming together. At least we got frames up, the decorations are up. This is gonna be the punch out to the old Saxon Avenue office. And over here we have the Dr. Rehman Wall of Fame with all his past patients that he took care of. So this is really, really nice. It's coming together really, really nice. We need just a little bit more time, and I think we'll be going live. It's the frozen room. Little things need to go up. And a very, very popular room is going to be the Mandalorian room, I think. We still, putting things together. I think the computers are coming next week. But, we're doing a really good job, I think. So remember, RBK Pediatrics, primary care when you want it, urgent care when you need it. Looking forward to seeing you in the office.